Okay, so that should. So, is the stream good now? I just reconnected, so I hope it's okay now. I reduced it a bit, the bit rate from 1400 to 900. I hope the picture is still good because this is not intensive graphics, so it should be okay. Okay, it's working now. Let me double check with a layer. Okay, it's working. Well, since this is not a heavy graphic, like a crazy graphic like I'm doing now, this is not gaming. It should be okay. It's most static picture anyway. Unless I go like crazy, change the position of the text. So well, I guess I could try to add the LFO and moderation names here, because at least when you click, you get the full name, and if it doesn't, get a part of the name there. And the only problem is that on the modulation matrix, I'll have to worry about that as well. But I could just add after the LFO 1, 2, 3, and so and so. Let me save my project, do a backup of the file, and I'm going to add that. things. I think that it can be handy. It's just easier to see things then, especially when designing something new. And should not be a big of a deal. So let me check where do I store the information about the generators? Yeah, I can imagine that. Well, first thing I'm going to do, we were talking about the naming convention of Wusik 8000. Right now I'm using change order back and forward. Well, it seems okay to me, but if you think I should change that, I don't mind changing that. Just let me know. What I'm going to add here is the same thing I did for the VSTs, custom effects and custom filters. When oops, not Wusik 8000 now. When you are creating a new effect, you should show the VST effects, the custom effects, and the same thing for filters. So it's easier to add things and also see things. So let me check the mail that I'm doing that. Oh boy. What the heck is this guy? It looks like I created a function for this. The name again. So I should be looking for some effect, custom filter poly. Effect. Oh, just a minute. Some phone is ringing. Wrong number. Custom filter poly. And then VST. Is all that. Double check. Is the effect, custom filter poly. Effect, poly. The problem is that that menu is a bit different. I have to fill something out, but it's not a big deal. Let's compile the whole thing again. Oh, of course. Okay, so let me fill this. Okay, it's not so hard. I can do it. Just have to copy. Pretty much. This code and I have to plug a few things around. One thing I have to do is organize this code into sections. I haven't done this yet, but I have to take a day just for that. Okay, seems that I will have to do this last. I have to be negative 1000, negative. Okay. Just a minute. Just let me check something. So it's carnival here in Brazil. Yay. People are going crazy. Not that a big of a deal. But people make it seem like a big of a deal. So now I have all my variables in place. Add this to the list. Effects. I have around here. Otherwise, it's going to get confusing. Add separator. Menu. Just going to organize this in a way I like. A long piece of code. Now the filters. Okay, it should show correctly. Effect. Oh yeah, ESTs, custom, envelope filter. Oh, that's very nice. Now I just have to make the load codes work. No, I forgot something. This doesn't. This is not going to be added. It's like this. I don't remember. Yeah, because Wusik 4000 doesn't have this option. So I have to bypass the whole code. What I'm going to do, move this out of the way. There's another thing. Oh, I have to also fix. Well, because if it's empty, it should also not create anything. Number of things higher than 0. So we do like that. Here. Is we do the same thing with you. That way on Wusik 4000 is not going to show. That then. Oh, let's do this. Now let's test the Wusik 4000. Let's take a while to compile. Oh, let me stretch my legs. Ah. Jesus. Feel like an old man. The joy of programming. So now let me check how do I load the files again, as I don't remember. Oh, what a bloody music. Where is it? Here. Pretty much here. It's... No, it's not here. Oh, it's here. Almost like that, but not exactly. Let's test for Wusik 4064. Oh, I compiled it 32. Not showing here the 32 bits. Compiled 64 bits. I don't have a shortcut for Wusik 4000. I should have done that. Oh, here's the list. Or it equals 1000. Start from the 1000 actually. So my logic plays correctly. And it's easier to do this on Wusik 1000. That's correct. Ah, what did I open? That's okay. Oh, it's still compiling. Ah, I need a faster computer. Computer is not bad. It's just that kind of slow, but it's still faster than my notebook. There, okay, that works. Let's see if it works. Filter. Wave shaper 4. Shape 4. Oh, that's so nice. Carpool strong. Carpool strong. I also have to add the up and down order for the filters. I'm not going to be lazy and leave that alone. I need to do that. Oh. $2,000 should be custom effect. Load effect, and then give 1,000 the VST. Cannot mistake is +1. Double check. Oh, it's not. So I have to double check that if the first one on the list is actually loading up. Let's see. VST, I want to load ambience. Ambience loads up. Okay. Custom basic filter high. Basic filter high. Base filter, custom, basic filter high. Okay, working. So let's try now. Filter, custom, filter high. Filter high, okay. Effect, VST, ambience. No compatible from artists for exploding. Effect, VST, route pen. No, the VST is not working. I just wrong. Oh, I don't have the files. How do I don't have the files? I do have the files. Why it's not loading? Or stress effects, filters, VST32, VST4. Minus. Oh, of course, dude. 4,000, 2,000, 1,000. Pay attention, Willy. Whatever. Let's try again. Effect, VST, ambience. Yeah, it loads up. Effect, custom, basic filter high, basic filter high. Filter, custom, wave shaper 4. Effect, VST, JX10. Oh yeah, it's working. Programs.